What is up, Flomies? I'm Julianna, this is Arianne, and we are the Dragonfly Dancers. Today, we're gonna teach you how to do the Partner Drop Spin Passoff, which looks like this. This move is a really fun way to incorporate flowing with another person. And it's pretty easy. So what we're gonna do when we start is we're gonna be doing a drop spin, which a drop spin, you're gonna be grabbing the Flowstar at 6 o'clock and letting go around 11 or 12 o'clock. And then letting your hand just kind of follow down and then pick it back up at 6 o'clock and let it back and let go again at 12 o'clock. So from this angle, it looks like this, 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock. I find it helps letting the Flowstar kind of touch the back of your hand to just keep it centered. And just practice that, and then have your partner can also practice that on the other side. Make sure you practice on both hands doing the same thing. And so again, Arianne is just gonna face me and I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna count like every 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is how you do the Partner Drop Spin Passoff. A really fun way to incorporate this move with another Flowstar would be doing doubles. So to start, I'm gonna be going, this is a little easier or harder to start. I guess you need to know how to do a reverse drop spin in order to pass it. But again, we're going from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock on each hand, and Arianne's just gonna step in front of me. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is how you do the double Partner Drop Spin Passoff. If you like today's tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us for more. Happy flowing!